ginger here. I'm going to use for myself and for my husband.
Mommy, the ginger. Mommy.
So let's make the pineapple here.
Pineapple. Oh. That's little.
It's a lot of work to juice, but then the juice is covered in this house for the next 2 weeks. They are highly sealed, very sealed, and no hair goes in, and they're in the fridge.
And
very
Mommy
cold.
will not know that I will take you.
In a very cold area.
Mommy will not know that I'm taking juice. Because I am a big one.
So this, why I don't mix pineapple to, and are you okay? Leave there. Why I don't mix pineapple to the other mixed juice is because Ashley don't like pineapple. So that's the reason why they are not mixed.
When we need to eat that pineapple, then I don't like it.
I really don't like eating it, but like drinking it. Don't worry, the table is clean up before I start working on it.
That is broken.
Hmm?
That is broken. Pizza is broken.
Shad? Shad?
Let me see.
Come here fast, please. I made this in fast, I said. Fast!
My God.
Don't bother, I'm done with it.
Let's go and open it.
Take that cover and waste them. Take those two. Don't bother. If somebody was dying, this is when you will come. It only takes you 2 seconds to just come. The thing is, I was having a problem with the cover before. And yeah, but I'm able to fix it.
I'm sorry that I was so slow.
No, it's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry that I was so slow.
It's okay.
Daddy!
Ah, Lee.
She is the one that was distracting me also, that I have to fold the pineapple that I was holding in my hand. Because she's distracting me. Papa has come to drink juice. Thank you. This is not the only one I get to. Where are the rest? I asked you to pick that one over there.
What?
Lekker. Lekker.
Yeah, it's like that.
Lekker, lekker. Yo, lekker is goed.
Daddy, pick off my feet. Daddy!
Ja. Pas.
What is that? Daddy! Daddy!
Nick?
You didn't feed her with her rice? You feed her with her rice. If not, when to sleep, that is when she will be disturbing for food.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We have to warm the rice.
Then
What?
just put soup on top.
Daddy! I don't like juice. Let me go. And blow.
minute. No. What is this for?
Gleich. Ja, ich mach warm, dann gehen wir ins Wohnzimmer. Dann mache ich dir was an. You can go and I'm coming. Yeah, go and I'm coming. She's again on the telly.
I'm gonna be there at the bell.
Don't touch.
We don't pay the bell. The bell.
Komm, Ari.
I said then they pay the bell. I told you long ago that it's from, and then I didn't wait from. I told you long ago that your time is low. I don't know what you're waiting for. Waiting for. Oh my God. Can I have meat?
Yes, madam.
Here juice. Please come out. Okay.
Yeah. So we got that.
Oh my goodness. Please let me alone. Yeah, Mommy, that is still juicy.
Yeah.
Why is it still juicy?
Because we want to be juicy.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. It's juicy.
That should not be juicy. Oh my God, Mommy. Put these things inside. What? That.
Emily, stop playing with it.
Okay. Run away. Pineapple, please don't die. Pineapple, die. Pineapple, die. Pineapple, die. Run away. Pineapple, run away. Run away. Run
Take it and
away.
wash it.
Why? Why need I to wash it?
Hurry up. Give it to me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Run away. Pineapple.
Yeah, we always have the problem of fixing it.
Let me go with it for 50 minutes.
Really?
Yes. Let me go with it 50 minutes. That is not a joke. That is no joke. Yeah, Mom. Me. What? Why no big juice? Okay. I'm gonna open it now.
Yeah, open it.
Yummy!
Where's the cup here?
I don't know.
All the cups are gone.
Who has finished?
Yeah, give me a cup there. I want to drink.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Thank you.
Can I drink also? Please. Thank you.
Delicious. So. Now
Yum,
let
yum, 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 yum.
me open it. So, I have ginger here. Close it.
That's so yummy. Like yum, yum, yum.
I'm making a very hot shot now. Hot shot.
I will take it next.
That's why I'm taking all of this away. The big bottles are for the hot shot.
Then I know it's there. Oh, that's that.
Yeah, so let's make our hot shot. Ooh, that ginger is already smelling now. It's a very hot ginger, fresh ginger.
Mommy, but how many pineapples have you?
As much as you and Richard will not disturb me anymore with pineapple juice.
Oh.
Take, don't give to Richard. No. Don't give that to Richard.
Okay.
Ooh, ginger is harsh. That ginger is harsh, believe me. Look at it. Very harsh. Okay. Put it back again. Oh, yeah. My hot shot is ready. It's a very hot one, very hot. Hot shot. We want to mix everything together. Yep. So Robert wants some hot shot. Let's give him some hot shot. Heaven, come and take to Daddy.
Yeah, Mommy.
To Daddy.
Daddy.
Hot shot is ready, guys. So I'm done with everything now. Thank you for watching and see you guys on my next vlog of juicing. Have a lot here for a hot shot.